I started to have problems under the one bridge. And we realized that it had gotten loosened and I had a cavity underneath of it. So then we talked about what we would do, the different options I had. And I said, well, let me go ahead with the dental implant. So we started that side of the journey. And then the other side, I knew I had a bridge. And at some point, that would probably have to be taken care of. Before I even had my right side finished, my left side started to have problems. And before I knew it, I was like, wow, look at this, look what I've got going on. But it wound up being my left side got completed before my right side because the left side was more critical, So, but, I just hung in there with it all. And now I'm so happy. I mean, everything is perfect. My mother had false teeth. I still remember her sitting at my dining room table when we would eat dinner together. And she had to eat so slow because her teeth didn't really fit right, I guess. I don't know. But she always had a challenge, and she'd have to take her meat and pull it apart with her fingers sometimes, so that she could chew it. And I just thought, I never want that. I never want that. So no matter what the cost would have been or anything, I was going to make sure that I had some permanent teeth because I didn't want to have that. That's really what made me make the decision to have the implants put in. And when I talked to him too, I said, well, how long do the implants last? Is it like 30 years like the bridges? And we teased because of where I am in age now. And he said, Jenny, you'll go to your grave with it. And I said, hey, that sounds good to me. So that's the journey I took then, was to get the implants put in. And I have had no problems with my implants. I mean, I don't even think about them being implants. It's my teeth. So it's perfect.